Heath, what letter is this?
Mama.
That is Mama. What letter is this?
Baba.
Zebra. Can you say zebra?
Baba.
Okay.
Baba.
Heathy, what letter is this? Sun. R. Thank you. Can you say this one? Can you say this one? Nice try, pal. Can you say I? I.
G.
R. Very good. R.
San Francisco with 13